nagpapasalamat sa MSU at saka sa City Agricultural Office, no? Palakpakan po natin sila. Pinapangaralan din natin ang ating mga farmers, no? Na siyang nagsimula actually sa ating syudad. Yung mga pioneers natin, karamihan doon mag-uuma. Karamihan doon farmers. Kahit ganito ka-develop na ang ating syudad, urbanized na kaayo ta, modern na kaayo, daghan lang gihapon ang, o dako lang gihapon ang kontribusyon sa atong mga barangay, sa atong tanan, no? Sa larangan ng agrikultura. Again, marami pong salamat sa ating mga farmers, and tonight, we celebrate your contribution to the city of General Santos. Magandang gabi po, magandang Jensan.
1, 2, 3, go!
I drop this in the club when I be DJing. From left to right, everybody start swaying. I be seeing girls tapping niggas on the shoulder saying, teach me how to bug it, teach me how to. Then I pull it back, started from the top, and all the bitches love me. I'm a 24-hour starter, road runner, nigga can't catch me. Get green like Bill Bixby. Damn, I mean Bixby. Stay in the 6-speed. My corner in the club is where the chicks be, and the flicks be popping like the red carpet. That California swag with a little college park shit. Fat ass, small waist, little college park chick. Came up to me and said, teach me how to dug it. Teach me how to dug it. If you really wanna know, then girl, you gotta go to D-Town. Teach me how to dug it. Teach me how to dug it. But until then, shawty, check me out now.
They be like, Smooth, what? Can you teach me how to dug it? You know why? Cause all the girls love me. All I need